favorite part is the basketball and like the friends and all the people over here.
My favorite part is the community, yeah. It's mainly the community, everybody around from Daly City that comes here, my friends and everything from school.
It's important for kids to have a place to come to keep them out the streets, and just to have a safe place for them to kind of just hang out, have fun without having to worry about what they got going on at school, at home.
They could link up with their friends here, they could make new friends, make memories here. And it's not like a hangout, it's just like one thing you have, like every day could be a hangout for them.
Being here every day, it just makes my life happy, and it brings me joy, and this is a great place for me here. I come to any other events for Daly City Rec, and if it's not War Memorial, it can be other community centers I would love to attend to. It's always good to hang out because I can hang out with other kids that are my age and get along with them, make new friends, and just have a great time here every day.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
The food, everything, and hang out with everybody. Yeah, I'll do it every day. I'm not gonna lie, man.
I would for surely come to another teen hangout. It makes it more fun because everyone's here and everyone comes along and just everyone has fun.